No, we assume that we want just only a portion of the string that we have it. Okay, so I say that again, name, one variable, and what I see that I said again, I love Lucy, and I want just a portion of this string. What I do, I just want to, for example, love of that one. So I said print, or on the screen, I use this operator. I use bracket, and I tell that, okay, I want that is 0 1, so I said from 2 3 4 5 to 5, print for me, that is colon for me. So let me run this one, and here it is. Now I said print to 6, give me total love. So the operator from here, that bracket, I say start from this location for the I is 0 1 2 and go to 6 character. Now I can say that, okay, let me keep the same print here, and I want to say that, okay, print from the first one. If I don't write anything, give me up to 6. So give me I love, and I can say that again, go back from here. If I say that print for me from -7 to -2, see what here it is. So the point I try to make it, we are able to say however you want to do it, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 start from V, and -2 go all the way back there. So I